Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. This Valentine's season, love is everywhere around us and is filling the world with beauty and warmth. So, on that lovely note, let's explore the latest trends, updates and insights that have shaped our industry. Let's start with news from the Indian gems and jewelry industry. Gold prices hit a record high of more than 88,000 on MCX amid fears over Trump's tariffs and rupee weakness. India surpassed China to become the world's largest gold jewelry consumer, driven by robust demand during the festive season, and despite high gold prices, companies like Titan reported a 26% increase in sales, totaling 175.5 billion rupees during this period. Kirit Bhansali was appointed as the new chairman and Shaunak Parekh as the new vice chairman of GJPC, marking a new leadership era for the council. Shringar House of Mangalsutra filed IPO papers with SEBI for a fresh issue of 2.43 crore shares. The 250 crore rupees proceeds will fund working capital and corporate needs. The company, holding 6% of India's organized Mangalsutra market, reported a 16% revenue growth in FY24. Malabar Gold and Diamonds to enter the New Zealand market with a $75 million New Zealand dollar investment. Joyalukkas launched its flagship store in Jalandhar on 7 February 2025. Kalyan Jewellers has announced the launch of Crafting Futures, a transformative CSR initiative and a cornerstone of With Love brand philosophy. This initiative is dedicated to improving the livelihoods of jewelry artisans, preserving craftsmanship, and fostering community development. To lay the foundation for this initiative, Kalyan Jewellers has committed 3 crore rupees towards its implementation, ensuring a tangible and lasting impact from the very start. Joe Salukka's newly renovated showroom in Vijayawada was inaugurated by Vijayawada East MLA Gadde Rama Mohan, actress Nabha Natesh, and Managing Director John Alukkas. Mia by Tanishq partners with Swiggy Instamart to deliver stunning silver jewelry in 10 minutes. Moving on to international gems and jewelry news. The Natural Diamond Council reported a 2.7% rise in the average price of natural diamond jewelry to $2,360. Consumers favored larger stones and higher clarities, with bridal jewelry comprising 33% of sales. Round diamonds remained dominant, but fancy shapes gained traction, contributing to a 5% overall increase in jewelry sales. Pandora's revenue surged 11% in Q4, reaching $1.67 billion, driven by strong holiday demand and US sales. The brand's lab-grown diamonds line grew 43%, while online sales climbed 20%. Swatch Group's revenue fell 15% to 6.74 billion Swiss francs, hit by weak demand in China and Hong Kong, despite record sales in the US, Japan, India, and the Middle East. Sotheby's wrapped up a successful first auction in Saudi Arabia. The Origins sale in Diriyah brought over $17 million across fine art, fine jewelry and luxury pieces. The 2025 Paris High Jewelry Week showcased nature-inspired masterpieces from renowned maisons. Cartier's Nature Sauvage highlighted honeycomb motifs with yellow diamonds, and De Beers Essence of Nature presented pieces celebrating the strength of trees with rare green diamonds. Boucheron's Untamed Nature collection reimagines archival designs, transforming flora and fauna into wearable art. The collection features 28 versatile pieces, including the Errol's necklace, depicting a lingonberry plant with detachable stems that can be worn as brooches or pins, and the fuchsia pendant earrings, replicating bell-shaped flowers with pear-cut diamonds totaling 4.10 carats. Tiffany & Co. has crafted the Vince Lombardi Trophy since the first Super Bowl in 1967. Designed by former Vice President Oscar Radner, its iconic form was first sketched on a napkin in 1966. Purejewel's CEO Jayant Raniga launches Veya Gold, a new UK and Ireland jewelry wholesale brand, providing fast delivery of high-purity gold and platinum jewelry while addressing market gaps and compliance challenges. The US Customs and Border Protection now requires verifiable documentation for diamond origin declarations, mandating proof like certificates of origin. Clarifications address substantial transformation, but key details on enforcement and thresholds remain uncertain. Now here comes Indian fashion news. Manish Malhotra's World Collection, Dubai captivated Dubai Fashion Week 2025, showcasing his signature blend of Indian craftsmanship and global influences. The collection featured shimmering sequins, brocades, and structured silhouettes. Tasva, a brand by Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited, in collaboration with designer Tarun Tahiliani, unveiled their Wedding 25 collection in Bangalore. The collection blends traditional craftsmanship with modern design, featuring intricate embroidery and a versatile color palette suitable for various wedding events. Designer Anamika Khanna has unveiled a limited edition collection featuring actress Banita Sandhu. The collection showcases Khanna's signature fusion of traditional Indian aesthetics with contemporary design elements, highlighting intricate craftsmanship and modern silhouettes. Karma, a distinguished multi-designer boutique with 25 years of experience in luxury Indian fashion, has opened its first flagship store in Hyderabad at Banjara Hills. The store features a curated selection of wedding attire, casual wear, accessories, and footwear for both men and women, showcasing collections from 14 Indian designers, including Talking Threads by Pearl Upal, Chhavi Agarwal, Megha Mahindru, and Elisha Wadhwani. And lastly, international fashion news. Ralph Lauren Corporation reported robust financial results for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025. The company achieved an 11% increase in revenue, totaling $2.14 billion, surpassing prior year figures. Versace Spring-Summer 2025 collection emphasizes individuality and joy, featuring mismatched prints, metal mesh day dresses with floral patterns, and men's silk shirts adorned with Baroque designs. New York Fashion Week Fall-Winter 2025 featured bold collections from top designers, with Carolina Herrera showcasing jewel-tone elegance, Kete blending minimalism with vibrant textures, and Ulla Johnson elevating winter wear with gilded details and prairie-inspired sophistication. Estee Lauder collaborates with Ladurée for a limited edition makeup collection, blending beauty with French patisserie elegance. Inspired by Ladurée's pastel hues and luxurious desserts, the collection features exquisite packaging and decadent shades, celebrating femininity and indulgence in a unique fusion of cosmetics and confectionery artistry. Alexander McQueen unveils a demure Ramadan collection, blending modest elegance with the brand's signature edge. Featuring flowing silhouettes, intricate embroidery, and luxurious fabrics, the collection honors the spirit of Ramadan with refined sophistication. NARS launches an exclusive London Game Changer collection, celebrating the city's vibrant energy. Featuring bold shades and luxurious textures, the collection includes lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, and blushes inspired by London's dynamic fashion and culture. That was all for today. Thank you everyone, we will see each other next time with more weekly updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर।